This is just a standard garage door. It faces east, so it tends to heat up pretty quickly from the morning sun. And I had a friend of mine had a whole bunch of cardboard boxes that were used to ship things that had the styrofoam insulation in it. So he gave a bunch of it to me and I cut it down to fit another super inexpensive and super ugly modification. The nice way of doing this would probably be to just go to a big box store and then buy the sheets of insulation. And I secured this with construction adhesive. So again, super inexpensive. When you do this, though, make sure that you don't operate the door because the construction adhesive takes time to set up. And just check the panels. There's little edges that you have for at least half of the panel ends. Like in this end, you can see that it's flush, so it tucks in real nice here, but it's good to use a construction adhesive and just press it in there. Just use a random sort of swirly pattern, the zigzags, circles, stuff like that. Get the edges really good, and then add some to the panels as well as the door itself, and then just press it into place. Just depending on how liberally you use it, you're looking at maybe 2 or 3 tubes of 16-foot door, and it's just really made a huge difference in my garage. I don't have a lot of ventilation in the garage, side door, but it's really just helped keep the heat in the winter and that sun from coming through as fast in the summer. And it's just the aluminumized stuff or whatever looks nicer at the Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you buy your stuff. Just really worthwhile and pretty inexpensive.